the potato plant has got these little bits where the flowers are going to go, so hopefully not long now. These need picking. These are doing quite nice. Is that a cabbage starting to form, hopefully? Then the runner beans. Right up above my head. This is me. And that's that. I know they're in a raised bed here. It's still above my head. Subscribe to Clover HLHS. We're working on some kind of better intro. Where's he gone? He was up in our window. Bye. I caught you red-handed, Charlie. Why are you riding it? It's got a flat tyre. Hi guys. Sit forward. Okay, so I'm having a ride on this. With Bobby thingy, the chickie. And she's really, really scaring me. I can't help Casey! It. No, look, you made the camera go weird. You can help it.
Ow, no I can't.
You're a little liar. You can't steer it properly.
Yeah.
No, wait, stop.
Goes all over the place because you're waiting.
Can I have one go at trying you? Hi guys.
Hello. Okay, just in the food hall, just grab some to eat quick because we're all starving. Food hall, you know. Place that's got like barbecue, a bit that's got the Burger King and
Do I rip them apart?
some stuff. Yeah.
Do you guys know? Casey! Mini packet of mini cheddars. Mini packet of mini cheddars. Cheese and onion. Ah. Drop that on you guys.
Yeah, I got cheese and onion too.
Mmm. Do you like them? Mini cheddars? They're yummy. See you guys in a bit. We've been at the mall. I've got flip-flops. I don't know.
I get monster munch.
You do it.
Look at the water when it's going up. There's actually the lights in it. Look at that!
It's only the inside ones now. and grommet. And if you haven't seen it, it's really cool. It's like they make it all out of little clay statues.
Play models.
And they like move it all around. It's so cool. I'm on the bus and I'm on the way home from school. It's Wednesday today. Hi guys, so I'm back in the village now. My friend walked with me to the bus stop in our nearest town where my school is. We walked to the bus stop, then her mum picked her up because I don't know, her mum, I don't know, she could have got the same bus as me onto her house, but I don't know why she didn't. Anyway, then I came back to our village, got off the bus at our green, went to the chemist, and I'm just walking back up to the house. Got my medicine. Pick up. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. It's like 11:30 or something. I got on the bus at like 12 minutes past 11. It was a bit early. And I literally, as we were walking, I was like, oh my gosh, the bus is like coming up behind me. And then we were walking to the bus stop. But I could literally see the bus. And I was like, might miss it, but I don't mind. There's another one in and out. Yeah, I made it. See you guys a bit, bye. Okay, so I've just come in the front room and I'm gonna hopefully get the video up. Sorry it hasn't been up, but it should be up by the time you see this. I mean, I'm talking about Sunday's vlog and it's Wednesday, so yeah. I kind of forgot that I hadn't uploaded it. Kind of forgot. Charlie's like, his decoration's been taken down, but his balloon's still here, so yeah. I reminded my mum that we need to take them down because it's kind of 3 weeks since his birthday. So yeah. Why is it only at 78%? It was at 77% before I just did the teriyaki salmon. I've done that. Ew! I got chicken poo on my feet. I stepped in their poo. I need to go and wash that now. See you guys in a bit. Bye. Just got to get the blood to the end of my hand by swinging it. Yeah, when it says that. If it's the same as on the tube. Can you go for the middle finger? Mm-hmm. Okay. Just got to get that blood down there. It's taking good time. I hate it when it takes long and then it's like beep. Okay. We've got 180 seconds.
Where do you want?
Just...
Whereabouts? In the middle?
No, that really hurt last time.
There.
The middle makes it bruise so much. Okay, can I use tissue, please? I hate this bit where we have to wait for the results. This is the worst bit. Imagine like waiting for GCSEs. It's going to be so bad. It's taking so long. 2.2! Yes!
Result.
Ow, look, it's bruised already. Well, it says it's okay. When did we last have it calibrated?
You take it tomorrow anyway, just in case.
Yeah, because they might be able to squeeze this in. If it's on, because that clinic's not on every day. So you've got the hospital tomorrow, so yeah. 2.2. Perfect. Well, 2.5 is best, but 2.2 is good enough. Last time it was 2, I think, wasn't it?
No, it was 2.2 last time.
Did you just get some blood? Okay. So we finished this tube with the strips. We've got tons of the needles left. They don't go out of date for a while. So this is our cute little travel thing. Where are the new packet of strips? Bye. So guys, we've got a giant box of needles, so I think we're good for like the next 4 years. And we've got the strips.
Nice.
I don't know how to explain it. So these are the strips, they're in here. That's a strip. And the blood gets soaked up there into that dot, and then it, like, I don't know what the machine does, but somehow it finds out what my INR is. Abracadabra. And then that just slots in there. So,
Not done yet. Stop already.
oh, what are you doing?
Leave the microchip out of there. Where's in the box?
Oh, okay.
Oh, these are shine. What's that?
I forgot. Change microchips. What do you do with the microchips when they're
Throw it
done?
away.
But it's got the information on it. They might want you to write. Well, we know it was
True.
2.2
That's
anyway. Guys,
True.
remind us it was 2.2.
keep it there.
Okay.
Keep it in there and take it with us.
So for our kit, we've got this nifty little bag. Wait, let's stand this up a bit. Hello.
All your creams there.
So we've got this nice bag. Came in. Then we've got the needles, which we've got a refill for. So just slide them in there. We put the chip in there just quickly because we don't know what we'll do tomorrow. Then we've got the stabber thingy, the machine, and the strips.
The stabber thingy. That is technical term, is it?
It's the stabber pen.
Oh, the stabber thingy.
Yeah.
That's
So it's quite nice and small for carrying about. Let's see if this makes it to the thumbnail. Probably not. I don't think so.